DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. Yo, that mafia, we back in this bitch with another reaction. You already see what time it is. Yeah, man, we're there with young artists. You see me, the last song we reacting for him was Make It Bounce. And I think we did another one after that. I forgot what it was. But yeah, man, we're there back with Tishaine on the name Reality. We're gonna check it out and see what I gotta do it. Yeah, man, reacted to like 2 songs to him so far from Tishaine. And we really like the dog vibe. You see me? Like the dog have the dog voice and his sound. I like the dog's voice and his sound. The way the dog like conviction in his voice. You see me like how the dog attack or the passion the dog attack about the thing them is different. You see me kind of see dog have a lane where he carve out. I don't think him really find him unique style yet. Where he rare. Yeah, man, I think he still have a lot of building for do, but the potential is crazy. You see me? And I think we're gonna hear it in this man. Clarity is there, the passion I feel like one thing get bugger more comfortable and creative. I gotta start hear some bad tune from him. But I'll check it out right now. Tishaine, Reality, let's get it.
Yeah, man, caution. Everything we dream for we see slowly, you know?
Yeah, mad. I mean, man, everything we dream see. Slowly we see it happen. That's facts and that's God. Big up to the most side. You see me? Can you order this? Can you order this?
Young boss.
Come in, man. Reality. Come in.
Yo, caution, a reality, me see me dreams, them a turning a. Air Force white like snow, where I been a live. Ice cold like say me living in my fridge. Copy gal in my phone, said them wanna give me kids. Have a smart
you
and
see what I'm talking about? This is what I'm saying, bro. This is what I'm saying, bro. I like his style and his delivery, bro. You see me? I say, man, say, yo, we see everything we dream, we see it on reality. Air Force white like foreigner living as. Hey, come in, no man.
See me dreams, them a turning a.
Yeah, come in, come on.
Yo, caution, a reality, me see me dreams, them a turning a. Air Force white like snow, where I been a live. Ice cold like say me living in my fridge. Copy gal in a.
You see me? Air Force white like snow, where foreigner live. You see me? Chain full of. Hey, come on. Like me living at the fridge. I like it. One more time. You see me? Well, let's take it from the top. Let's get it.
Boss.
Like it. This beat, I like it too.
Yo, caution, a reality, me see me dreams, them a turning a. Air Force white like snow, where I been a live. Ice cold like say me living in my fridge. Copy gal in my phone, said them wanna give me kids. Have a smart and everybody genuine. Roll
That's facts, come on.
with the 17 talking size 30 jeans. Been
Roll with the 17 talking style 30 jeans. Come in.
getting news lately, but me no weak. Ready for any boy, we feel them ready for it. No. Have a skull pan charge while them a meds war. The money man war. Chant up a psalms and blast a fast call, say no ease.
Oh, see the man of us called pan charge when them are met. Oh, we have. Hey, come in. Yeah, man. Me like them. Come on.
Skull pan charge.
Come in. Hold on. Come in.
Any boy, we feel them ready for it. No. Have a skull pan charge while them a meds war. The money man war. Chant up a psalms and blast a fast call, say no ease. Why chica friend them a make talk.
No ease off. I want to man come in.
And a goonya get fucked from she and cycle. House girl want to make a killer come in ball. Pop said the money sleeve a feel long.
Hey! That's fresh.
And dance girl. So my own this a day every day I go hard. Couple night me know them me yard dog. No for them want see the boss fall off. But me see the vision already me not talk. Ready for your play from a
Couple boy want see the boss fall off. That's facts. But we don't see the vision. We not laugh with them. You see me? Yo, that mafia, you know where we going in, man. You see me? That mafia. You're watching the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? I say, yeah, the video get discovered, bro. You see me? I say, let's do the right thing. Code money. You see me? I say, yeah, man, do the right thing.
Yeah, boy, jigs off.
I don't know, 10K where I hit this year. And then beyond, you see?
Don't like see greatness. When me broke, me get everybody healings. Know the things that grow, you know rate me. Reality, me see me dreams, them a turning a. Air Force white like snow, where I been a live. Ice cold like say me living in the fridge.
I like that hook. That hook is hard. Yeah, man, the song, a playlist song for sure. You see me I say no cap, gang. No cap. Play this song for sure. Shit, let me tell you, we only listen to 2 songs from the dog so far. I say, yo, dog got potential here. And look at this, the 3rd song right now, Reality. Man, a shot, man. Yeah, man, and I like the quality and production behind all that song and videos. So keep up on that shit, bro. I like the scene now. Everything in a black and white, but it's in color. You see me I say, man. But yeah, man, keep it up, dog. You do your thing, bro. You see me, gang.
Couple gal in my phone said them wanna give me kids. I feel smart and everybody genuine. Roll with the 17 talking size 30 jeans. Been getting news lately, but me no weak. Ready for any boy we feel them ready for it. Every make a muckle if you chop a 2 bills, dog. That a still something, dog. Snake in a grass, no
that's
fun.
Facts. Every make a buckle if it's just 2 bills. Something that you do your thing and go on.
News lately, but me no weak. Ready for any boy we feel them ready for it. Every make a muckle if you chop a 2 bills, dog. That a still something, dog. Snake in a grass, no fun, them full of crap. Them a start vibes while feel me whip a button start. Talk a tones in a me, shafi run it.
Them a start vibes while my whip a button start. How you feel? That's a different way of saying, yo, me now waste the time of money me a go. You see me? Yeah,
full of crap. Them a start vibes while feel me whip a button start. Talk a tones in a me, shafi run it hard. Spanish page and me never live a Spain. If I no money talk, me no want hear. Ambitious, so enough thing dey pan brain. Still a fear stack up.
Yeah, man, ambitious. Enough thing dey pan the brain. Pan the lack of best, man. You have ambition. Enough thing dey pan the brain. Enough thing you think about. Enough things you angle. You see me, the drive keep going. You never stop. You see me, I say people don't know that when you're a thinking person, man. You got goals, when you got aims, when you got motion. You see me? Yeah, a lot of people ain't got shit going on for real. A lot of people ain't thinking about, like, trying to achieve something. A lot of people ain't trying to do something that's never been done. You see me? Everybody's stuck on the same thing. You see me? Really, do you have somebody that's trying to do something that's never been done? That's trying to, like, move higher, trying to achieve more. You see what I'm saying?
Hungry and stack up a pussy round me.
Ambitious people always thinking. That's fact, bro. Always got ideas going on.
Know where they fake. Just time for my spotty 2 face. Them nah get a funeral alone, shallow grave.
That's facts. Ruin shallow grave. Do you see me? No bumbo.
Reality missing me dreams, them a turning up. Air Force white like snow if I been a live. I feel like I'm living at the fridge. Couple gal in my phones.
Playlist tune, me say
them wanna give me kids. I feel smart and everybody genuine. Roll with the 17 talking size 30 jeans. Been getting news lately, but me no weak. Ready for any boy we feel them ready for it.
The next Pablo this, It's the next Pablo YG this, I'm telling you. Yeah, like a Pablo and Massacre. You see me, can have a Massacre vibes too, Have a Massacre vibes to him. Not lyrics or nothing, but I say you have a Massacre vibes, star quality to him. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Tishaine on them bomba. He's in a reality. Bad artist gang. You see me I say? Feel like you definitely gonna show the artist some love and support. Gang, let you know say the dancing, you see me? But yeah man, one thing about Tishaine, bro. So far I think he's a pretty good artist. I think we're gonna be reacting to him more often. They don't know me life to find the artist them early out, You see me life will be the first one to find them, man. You see me I say Tishaine one of them. You see me and dog go on good. But I check it out. Yeah, I keep reacting to dog, so dog I do it, man. Reality. Yeah. I think he's gonna be seen more often on the channel. Yeah man. Yeah, Tishaine, keep going. You see me? Yeah. But anyway, gang, let me know one thing about the one, yeah. Drop if you like show the drop a comment. If you like show the artist some love and support, let me know what's your favorite part, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me I say, if you like show the artist some love and support, let me know say the dance. Send on. Make sure y'all drop your requests so y'all can get your shout out, gang. Oh, remember to the family. You see me, we upgrade shit, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all like it, man. We making some upgrades to the channel, man. We reinvesting back to the channel. Like I said, I've been doing more reinvestments behind the scenes, like equipment and stuff. I go see it from as well. We on our grind, man. We're going to the top. Latest reaction channel on the channel. Latest reaction channel, coolest reaction channel, dopest reaction channel. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. don't forget each other part. That's very important. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.